Hi guys, so today I want to show you how you can insert hyperlinks into any type of document that you create within Canva, be it a PDF presentation, a brochure, a proposal, anything like that you want to have, different elements that when the person that is viewing it clicks on it and it takes them somewhere else. So for this example, I've taken my own brand board. So I just have here the brand board. I'm going to maybe just make it a little bit bigger so we can see what we are working with. So when people click on this, first, my main logo, I want them to be taken to my website. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on here. I'm going onto my website, copy pasting the URL up on top here. And then, so this is selected, and then you just go on the right corner here and you insert the link that you want. You apply and you're done. Okay. Next, I want them, maybe when they click on these kind of inspirational boards, to take them to my portfolio. So once again, open up the portfolio wherever you've got it. This is a Canva one that I've done as well. So I'm just going to copy the link for this one. And I go back onto the document. I click this image. Okay. And then I go again on the top corner here where it says link. You insert the link that you want, apply, and you're done. And then the last thing I want is for them, when they click on this little website here, of course, I want them to be taken to my website. So again, what I will do, maybe I will take them to the contact page. So I just copy the contact page, and this is selected. Okay, I'm going in the upper right corner, enter the link and apply. And I'm done. So now I have 3 hyperlinks within this document. So this one here, you can always check. It will take them to my home page. This big image here will take them to my portfolio. And the bottom one here will take them to my, okay, here we go. Hasn't been selected. So we're going to do it again. It should take them to my contact page. Okay. So here we go, apply. Okay, and you can see once it's applied, it even highlighted. It wasn't highlighted before. Okay, so now that we've finished our document, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to save it as a PDF, and then I'm going to show you how the links actually work. So in order to save it, you just go down here, and you've got different options that you can save it as. I'm going to save it as a PDF because it's kind of like a brochure, if you like. Okay, so download, and in a few seconds it will pop up into my downloads. Okay, so we've got it down here. I'm just going to open it. So this is how the PDF looks like. Okay, it's just a simple PDF, and then when the viewer is scrolling over it, you can see how my mouse it becomes from an arrow to this little pointy hand. So once I click on it, it will take me to my website. Okay, and then if I click on this image here, it will take me to my portfolio. Okay, and then the last one, let's have a quick look. So the one at the bottom here, once I click on it, it takes me onto my contact. So yeah, that's how you make you introduce some hyperlinks into the a PDF document. So I hope this helps. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you so much. See you later.